News just coming in at this point in time. Delhi court has granted Shahjeel Imam 10 days interim bail in the Delhi Riots conspiracy case to take part in his brother's wedding and then to take care of his ailing mother as well. That's the condition in which Shahjeel Imam is now getting some relief in interim bail. Shahjeel Imam is among several others accused in the larger conspiracy case linked to the communal violence that erupted in northeast Delhi in the month of February 6 years ago in 2020. Anisha Mathur has more on that story. These were riots that had killed over 50 people, leaving several injured. He's one of the key accused in the Delhi riots case. Talk to us about the kind of relief, Anisha, that he's got at this point in time.
Well, Shahjeel Imam and others have been in jail since 2020 and now he's been granted interim bail for 10 days. Additional Sessions Judge Sameer Bajpai of the Karkarduma Court, where this trial is going on, granted interim bail to Shahjeel Imam to attend his brother's wedding. And this is only interim bail for 10 days. Remember, he is accused in the larger conspiracy case, and we saw the arguments that had happened all the way to the Supreme Court very recently, where the framing of charges, etc., had been questioned. The court has looked at what the evidence is, and so far none of the accused have been granted. Shahjeel Imam in particular, Shahjeel Imam and the others have not been granted bail in this larger conspiracy case since there are UAPA charges. But interim bail for just 10 days to attend his brother's wedding and to take care of his mother has been granted to Shahjeel Imam, even as this trial of the case is ongoing. That's clear.
That's right. Of course, the other side of the story and the argument is that he's been, suffering for years together for not getting any relief at a stretch, isn't it, Anisha?
Well, that is very true, Sneha. We've seen the kind of arguments that have been made over the years with regard to bail applications being denied. In January this year, when the bail applications had been denied by the Supreme Court, there was this entire argument that had been made with regards to Shahjeel Imam and Umar Khalid's role in this alleged conspiracy. Even though bail had been in fact granted to other accused, which is Gulfasha Fatima, Miran Haider, Shifa Rahman, Shada Ahmed and the others. But Umar Khalid and Shahjeel Imam, since they have been accused of being the ringleaders and the main ideological leaders of the entire alleged conspiracy, the Supreme Court had denied bail. Now remember, and that judgment had been widely criticized also, because the court said that even this long pre-trial detention will not be a valid ground for bail in a case with regard to the allegations that are against these two accused in particular, even though the others had been granted bail. So this case, Sneha, has become a huge talking point when it comes to the criminal law system in India, but bail and the alleged misuse of the UAPA law. That's it.
I'm going to thank you for the moment, Anisha, getting into those details and putting that into perspective.